Alrighty, so we're almost pulled the diff out. Now I've got to undo the control arm bushes. That's the new diff there. I'm getting the press in hopefully tomorrow so I can start pulling all the bearings out and replacing them all. And Matt's been working on the wiring and also doing a couple of tune things with the MSD. So we've now wired in the new dash. Still a couple of things we've got to connect on that, like the oil pressure sender and the air fuel ratio. And so once we've done that, then pretty much the dash is ready to go. But we're going to test out the two-step that we just set up on the car. So here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're going to be looking real professional next time we're at the strip. Like I'm two-stepping it up. Awesome.